Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special treat. I'm making my favorite spring summertime dessert. Layers of creamy goodness, pineapple and coconut. That's right. So let's go ahead and get into this recipe. So I scraped the sides down again, and I can already tell the cream cheese is much softer, and I'm gonna let it go again. Listen guys, this is one of the easiest no-bake dessert that you will love. Now I'm getting ready to pour the sweetened condensed milk into this mixer while the cream cheese should be ready to go. And y'all, I can really drink this out of this can, but I won't do it. Okay. What? Y'all know I'm gonna scrape all this goodness out of this can? Okay, if y'all go look, y'all might as well come here. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Whew. Just put me over there in it, okay? Just put me over there in it. Oh my goodness. Getting ready to add my crushed pineapples with a little juice, with a little. Give this a quick mix. Okay. So now I'm getting ready to fold in the Cool Whip. It's very important that you fold it in. Do not mix it, because you don't want it runny, okay? So we're going to fold the Cool Whip in. Just dump the whole tub over into the cream cheese pineapple mix, and we're just going to fold just like that. Just fold it gently, okay? As you can see how I'm doing that, just folding. Okay. Just like that. We kind of break it up a little bit, and we're just going to fold, because we want it light and airy, okay? We're not trying to mix this at all. Okay, just like that. And I'm gonna let it sit in the fridge for maybe 30 minutes before I start layering it, okay? Remember that pineapple juice I had for you to save? We're going to pour a little bit of that over into the cream cheese Cool Whip mixture. Just a little bit. Okay. when you're toasting your coconut flakes, you want to make sure that you do not burn it. And in order to make sure you don't burn it, make sure you turn your temperature down on your stove top and then just continue to move the coconut flakes around, okay? I'll show you what it looks like. See? Look at that. You can see exactly what it looks like. You want it to look like this. All right, you see that? It smells delish. And I can't imagine why some people don't like coconut. So now we have our toasted coconut flakes.
너의 중요하다는 words It's for you, it's all for you